Automatically answer yes when using apt-get install. Is there a way to make apt-get install automatically choose yes upon the do you want to continue? Y/N? ? Confirmation dialog.
Via the apt-get land page.
To emit any confirmation request, including those regarding obligatory security checks and potentially dangerous system changes, use force yes. If you want to have these settings permanent, create a file in /etc/apt/app.conference.d/ /etc/app/app.conference.d/94 size, with the following content. The problem with plain yes is that it will ask for a manual confirmation if the package signature owner's public key is not in the keyring, or some other impactful conditions.
Note that if you also want to automatically go by the default answers when an interactive prompt appears, you can use Debian_frontend equals non-interactive. Single install. For example, all updates. You can set up finer options with odpkg column options column equals force config and odpkg column options column equals force confold. Examples. Or example of interactive prompt. Interesting read, perform an unattended installation of a Debian package.
This should at least be in /etc/app/app.conference and commented out. I worry Ubuntu is taking the Microsoft tack of always asking for permission. Are you sure? Of course I am sure. I am not a trained monkey simply typing away at the keyboard, going click happy. Next the door will ask, are you sure you want to go outside? The oven will ask, are you sure you want to cook? The automobile will ask, are you sure you want to apply brakes? The fire extinguisher will ask, are you sure you want to put out the fire? I am sorry Dave, I can't let you do that. HAL 9000 could use a contraction but data could not, or couldn't.
If you want perfect work, please come to the subscribe button.